Hi everyone. We bring together what belongs together. Plato once told the parable of the spherical people. In primeval times, there were no different sexes. Man was like a sphere. Only through unfortunate fate did the sphere split into two halves, male and female, and since then each half has tried to reunite with the other. We are helping this along. When we introduced the shiny star, we had already promised a second half to go with it. This is the blazing star. Plato must have been talking about luminous spheres, because we bring both together to the shiny couple, which a customer couple ordered in this shiny configuration. It should be clear to see that the blazing star represents the male half of action. Because this time we're talking about the base of an FXRBS Breakout, specifically the 2023 model year with the muscle of a 117 cubic centimeters engine. It has ink on the pen, and because it is the man's motorcycle, you can see it. Anyone who thinks we only ever do this with larger wheels is mistaken. The Blazing Star actually has wheels with the same diameter as the original Breakout, 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear. Our Lowrider wheels are of course a little wider, but only in the nuances of half an inch and a whole inch. That's enough to set the scene for the characteristic Lowrider storage. Our Vegas brake discs are the same, as they are also 5-spoke. You'll have to take a closer look at the rear. However, as we have converted the rear to a pulley brake, the disc of which is concealed between the rear wheel and the 5-spoke Vegas pulley. The side license plate holder and the inside license plate on the left provide a completely unobstructed view of the right-hand side, which, as we all know, is the show side of a Harley. The steel fender is designed to fit the 260 tires. The multifunction LEDs are integrated into this fender, giving the rear end a harmonious and particularly clean look. We have already paid tribute to the shiny star's practical value for the Grand Tour. The same applies to the Blazing Star, which is why we have not ignored the views with our Custombike 2.0 luggage rack. It can be mounted on the bolts above the sickle of the rear frame in just a few simple steps. Coincidence or intentional? We don't know ourselves. In any case, its struts match the studs on the Spirit leather saddle quite well, originally indicating its affiliation with the shiny star, which also features them. The satin holder, which we made exclusively for the Blazing Star, is even more practical for the big tour. We've already said it, the shiny couple wants to rack up the miles. That has our blessing, but we didn't let the Blazing Star leave the site without fitting it with our headlamp cap, which, together with the GPS holder and the barely visible cellarmen under the dashboard, gives the face a charmingly technoid look. The best for last. Want even more technology? As always, the best comes at the end with the air ride that we have installed in the rear. That's the way it is with the distribution of the sexes, it's the men who put on the show. And if you don't have eyes to see them, we hope you have ears to hear them. The Custech system with matching power filter is a sure guarantee of this. It should roar well, our lion. And we actually think it's quite good that the sexes can be distinguished. Shiny Star and Blazing Star each score points in the department for which they are intended. Blazing Star can be recognized as a male by his muscles, just like the male lion his mane. And no, we don't want to become bullets again. Thanks for watching.